Hey guys, welcome back to Canada Dreams. Last week was very busy with TR to PR pathway. Today I have some sad news and some good news for you. In this video, I'll talk about unemployment and fake job offers in Canada, immigration programs for international student graduates, COVID situation in Canada, and also about next FHWP draw. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel as I make immigration related videos, lifestyle vlogs, and job related videos for Canada. So let's start with COVID situation in Canada first. So Canada's situation is not that good regarding COVID. That's why we have provincial lockdowns and stay home orders depending on different province. So यहाँ का हाल भी बुरा ही है. But people are getting vaccinated. I also have booked my vaccination on upcoming Monday. So in Ontario where I live, we also have stay home orders until June 2nd. So in this case, we only have to go out for essential things as there are many restrictions. बड़े बड़े सुपर स्टोर्स में भी ओनली ग्रोसरीज फार्मेसीज और एसेंशियल चीज़ें ही मिलती है, बाकी सब ब्लॉक आउट और सील करके रखा है. यू कैन नॉट इवन बाय क्लोथ्स, शूज और एनी होम अप्लायंस और एनीथिंग. रेस्टोरेंट्स आर क्लोज फॉर इंडोर डाइनिंग. दे ओनली हैव टेक आउट एंड डिलीवरी ऑप्शंस. Till now, Canada had reported approximate 1.3 million COVID cases, where 76,000 cases are resolved. Now let's talk about unemployment rate and fake job offers. Canada saw its unemployment rate increase more than 8% in April 2021 and the employment rate fell by 207,000. मतलब कि 2 लाख लोगों ने अपनी जॉब गुमाई during this third wave of COVID. And due to this stricter health restrictions, Canada's economy is getting worse now. There are about 5 million people who are working from home. Me and my wife are also one of them. Majority of employment declined from the private sector such as retail industries, food and accommodation, culture and creations. On the other hand, employment rate among recent immigrants who have immigrated in Canada within last 5 years is getting better because new people cannot come to Canada due to these travel restrictions, and people who are already here, they are getting jobs. So let's hope it will get better and everyone will get a job. And one thing I need to point out, which is fake job offers. People who are in abroad, they are getting fake job offers from Canada. I have also made a separate video on that, and please check out this video to find out how to verify your job offer letter. I have received at least 30 to 50 job offer letters from my subscribers, and surprisingly all of them were fake. All job offers they received were fake. So please be aware, do not get excited and don't pay anything for these kind of job offers, because scammers are trying to fool you during this COVID situation, because everyone wants to get a job. I'll also make a separate video compiling all those job offer letters which my subscribers have received to get you more information that how different job offers look like. So please stay tuned for that video. And now let's talk about immigration programs for international student graduates. So there are plenty of opportunities for international students who have graduated from Canadian university or college. Many of you might have already applied to TR to PR pathway, where IRCC announced that they are giving 90,000 PR to international student graduates and essential workers. And international student graduates intake cap was 40,000, and when they launched the program in May 6th, within one day the intake cap was full. I know some students couldn't apply because किसी के पास IELTS नहीं था, किसी के पास ट्रांसक्रिप्ट नहीं थी, या फिर डिग्री सर्टिफिकेट नहीं था, या फिर किसी के पास एम्प्लॉयमेंट नहीं था. But don't worry, IRCC has surprised us with many new programs and they may surprise us again. Just be prepared with your IELTS or SALPIP results. There are still some programs like Express Entry specifically for Canadian Experience Class, some different PNPs, and some PNPs are specifically for international student graduates, some skill immigration program, and other temporary public policies for healthcare workers and construction workers. And Canada is focusing in Canada candidates. That's why in 2021 we have seen that only Canadian Experience Class draw or PNP draws. And this week also they did Canadian Experience Class and PNP draw as well. If you are in Ontario, then Ontario has also announced 2 new programs for international student graduates and foreign workers in job offer letter category. And I'll also make a separate video on that, who are eligible and how to apply for that category. So please subscribe my channel. So overall, don't lose hope and get ready with all the documents. If you are eligible for Canadian Experience Class, then start creating your Express Entry profile as well. And how to create Express Entry profile, please check out this video. Now what about FSWP draws? As I mentioned in my earlier video that Canada wants 120 to 130,000 people through economic immigration, means through Express Entry or PNPs. Until now they have invited 66,000 people, so 50% quota has been full and 50% is still remain. And due to these travel restrictions, FSWP draws are getting delayed, and Canada's Prime Minister also mentioned that until 75% people don't get vaccinated, he is not going to lift the travel ban. So as per the data, we can think that FSWP draws will start again by end of this year. Again, this is very controversial depending on future situations. So that's it for today. And please note that summer bhi aa chuka hai, so I'll shoot some outdoor videos and will also show you some different places. So if you are interested, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned and stay safe.